as app. So without wasting time, you'll need a Raspberry Pi, you'll need a micro SD card, you'll need a HDMI, micro HDMI to HDMI cable, a PC, a monitor, and a power source. Connect your micro SD card to a reader or a USB hub like mine. The reason I have a USB hub is because I have a lot of pen drives.
A lot?
After you're done with that, go to the Kali Linux website, scroll down, you'll find ARM, click, go down. Based on your model, you can choose whichever you want. I'll go with Pi 4 because I have a Pi 4. Now obviously it will take some time to download. Meanwhile, you can download your Raspberry Pi imager. I use Ubuntu, so this I'll be clicking on this link. If you use Windows, you can use the second one. We have done both. Open Raspberry Pi imager. Choose your device, Raspberry Pi 4. Choose your operating system. Scroll down, custom, Kali Linux. Choose storage. I choose this one. Then use Control Shift X. Open up this menu. Tick, tick. Yeah, tick. Not necessary. Tick. Set your password for your username and Wi-Fi.
12 seconds later.
Wait for it to flash it. It will write it from 0 to 100% and then verify from 0 to 100%.
3 weeks later.
Continue. Close this. Take out your micro SD card. Connect it like this. Your power. And I'd recommend you connect your micro HDMI to the first slot. And this will take some time because this is the first boot.
Six and a half hours later.
Connect your keyboard. And give it some time. And now you're ready to use it. Thank you.